Welcome to Lana English Channel.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Lana English Podcast, part of the Lana English Channel on YouTube. We are so happy to have you here again today. Really, every time you press play, it makes us smile.
Yes. Big cheers for you. Clap, clap, clap. Honestly, we are proud of you. If you are listening right now, it means you are learning English consistently. And consistent learning, that's the secret sauce. That's the magic.
It really is. And maybe you don't see your progress day by day, but trust me, if you keep listening, keep practicing, little by little, you're growing.
Like a plant. See, you don't see it growing every day, but one morning, bam, it's taller.
Exactly. And if you're new here, hi, welcome. You've just joined the friendliest, funniest English learning family on the internet.
And if you haven't subscribed to the Lana English channel yet, oh, come on, what are you waiting for? Subscribing is like giving your English vitamins. Your grammar gets stronger, your vocabulary goes taller, and your confidence, a dramatic pause, your confidence gets six-pack abs.
Okay, Jack, calm down. But yes, dear listeners, please subscribe if you're new. We'd love to have you as part of our little community.
And don't forget, we already have several episodes waiting for you. If you haven't listened yet, go back and check them out. Seriously, each one has practical tips and some funny moments.
Yes, and listening to the older episodes is a great way to review. You might hear something again, but that's good. Repetition helps learning stick.
Exactly. So after this episode, do yourself a favor. Binge listen to the older ones. Make it your English Netflix.
All right, today's topic is a really important one. The title is The Goal is Connection, Not Perfection.
Ooh, I like it. Very deep.
It's deep, but also simple. So many learners stress about being perfect. Perfect grammar, perfect pronunciation, perfect vocabulary. And that pressure makes them freeze.
Yes, like a rabbit in headlights. They want to say something, but their brain is like, wait, is it present perfect or past simple? Is it in or on? Oh no, don't speak.
Exactly. But the truth is, you don't need perfection. The real goal is communication, to connect with people.
Imagine this. You're traveling. You walk into a cafe in New York. You say, hello, I want coffee, please. Is it perfect grammar? Not really. But does the barista understand you? Yes. Do you get your coffee? Yes. Congratulations. Mission complete.
Yes, that's connection. And honestly, most native speakers don't speak perfectly either.
Oh yeah. I mean, listen to me. I make mistakes in English all the time, and it's my first language.
Exactly. Native speakers say gonna instead of going to. They forget grammar rules. They mix up words. So why should learners pressure themselves to be perfect?
That's the big idea for today. Forget perfection, aim for connection.
Now, let's be real. Why do learners get stuck in the perfection trap?
I think it's school. In school, if you make a mistake, you get a big red X. Mistakes are bad. But in real life, mistakes are just part of the journey.
Yes. Think about children learning their first language. Do toddlers speak perfectly? No. They say things like, me want cookie. And guess what? Parents understand. The kid gets the cookie. Success.
Exactly. So if you say, yesterday I go park, people still understand you. You connected. And over time, you'll naturally improve.
That's such an important message. Mistakes are not a wall. They're actually a bridge. Every mistake teaches you something new.
And sometimes mistakes even create funny moments. Want to hear one of mine?
Of course.
Okay, so when I was learning Spanish, I wanted to say I'm embarrassed, but I said estoy embarazada, which means I'm pregnant.
Oh no.
Yes, everyone looked at me like, wait, what? And I turned red, which actually matched the situation perfectly.
That's amazing. And see, people laughed, they remembered you, and they probably helped you with the right word. That's connection.
Exactly. What about you, Lana?
Well, when I was learning French, I once tried to order poisson, which means fish, but I said poison, which, well, means poison.
Oh, wow. So you basically asked for poison for dinner.
Yes, the waiter was horrified. But hey, I survived, and I never forgot the word poisson again.
Mistakes equals unforgettable lessons.
So, dear listeners, don't be afraid of mistakes. They're not dangerous, they're teachers.
Yes, and remember, connection happens in so many ways, not just words.
Exactly. Body language, smiling, gestures, they all help. If your words are not perfect, your face and hands can help deliver the message.
You know what's funny? Sometimes even native speakers don't understand each other. Different accents, slang, noisy environments. Miscommunication happens to everyone.
That's so true. So relax. If you get confused, it's not just because you're learning, it's part of being human.
Let's give some practical advice now.
Yes. Here are some tips for focusing on connection instead of perfection. Use simple words. You don't need fancy vocabulary. Say, I like this movie, not, I find this film rather captivating.
Ask questions. People love talking about themselves. Where are you from? What do you like to eat? Easy and effective.
Smile and use body language. A smile is universal.
Repeat or rephrase. If someone doesn't understand, say it again with simpler words. Celebrate small wins. One successful conversation is progress.
And here's another one. Listen more. If you listen carefully, you learn how people actually use the language.
That's a great point. And listeners, you're already doing that by listening to this podcast. Well done. I want to share a story. One of my students was so nervous about speaking English. She thought her grammar was bad. But one day, she met a tourist who asked for directions. She said, "Go straight, then left." Simple. The tourist understood. She came back to class glowing with pride.
That's beautiful. And it shows connection doesn't need perfect grammar.
Yes, another student once told a long story about his family. His grammar was all over the place, but everyone understood. We laughed, we connected, we even cried a little.
Exactly. Stories connect people, not grammar rules.
Let's do a quick role play.
Okay.
Imagine you're in a cafe in London. You want coffee. How would a perfectionist think?
They might freeze, thinking, do I say, can I have a coffee? Or could I get a coffee? Or may I have? Oh no, which one is correct?
And while they're thinking, the barista is just standing there like, hello?
Yes. But if you focus on connection, you just say, I want coffee, please. Simple, not perfect, but effective.
Exactly. You get the coffee and maybe even a smile.
That's the goal.
All right, let's hammer this in. The goal is
Connection.
not,
Perfection.
say it with us, listeners, connection, not perfection.
Beautiful.
Before we finish, let's remind our listeners, don't forget to check out previous episodes. Each one has tips, stories, and advice to help you on your journey.
Yes, and if you're new, hit subscribe on the Lana English Channel. It's free, it's fun, and it keeps you motivated.
And remember, mistakes are your teachers. Celebrate them.
Yes, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep connecting.
That's it for today's episode of the Lana English Podcast.
Thank you for spending this time with us. We're proud of you. Keep going, and remember, the goal is connection, not perfection.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.